Hello and welcome to my channel once again. I'm Dr. Shruti and in this video I'm going to teach you Japanese calligraphy. The video is about the introduction of Japanese calligraphy. So let's start the video. Japanese calligraphy, also called shuji, is a form of calligraphy or artistic writing of the Japanese language. The most esteemed calligrapher in Japan had been Wang Zixi, a Chinese calligrapher in the 4th century. After the invention of hiragana and katakana, the Japanese unique syllabaries, the distinctive Japanese writing system developed, and calligraphers produced styles intrinsic to Japan. Techniques. Early Japanese calligraphy was originated from Chinese calligraphy, and many of its principles and techniques are very similar and recognizes the same basic writing styles. Seal script, clerical script, regular script, semi-cursive, and cursive. Tools. In modern calligraphy, a number of tools are used to make a composition. Most basic, 4 tools were collectively called 4 treasures of the study: a brush, an inkstick, mulberry paper, and inkstone. Other tools include a paperweight, a cloth, and a seal. The art of engraving a seal is called tenkoku. The student is encouraged to engrave his own seal. The position of the seal or the seals is based on aesthetic views. One is not allowed to put a seal on a sutra's calligraphy. And that's all about the topic. And hope you have understood the topic discussed in the video. And do subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, please give a like and let me know in the comment section. And if you have any queries and if this video is really helpful for you, then just message me in my comment section. I'll bring more videos on the related topics. And do check my art tutorials also, and stay tuned and stay connected.